I will request the Didi, if you depend upon the Abhishek Banerjee, then you remain with the Abhishek Banerjee. Leave.
पश्चिम बंगाल की पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री ममता बनर्जी की पार्टी तृणमूल कांग्रेस को इन दिनों लगातार झटके पे झटके लग रहे हैं। एक तरफ राज्य में बीजेपी की सरकार बनने के बाद विधायकों ने अलग गुट बना लिया है, तो वहीं दूसरी तरफ अब राज्यसभा सांसदों ने भी अपना अलग खेमा तैयार कर लिया है। अब तक कई राज्यसभा सांसदों ने पार्टी से इस्तीफा देकर बीजेपी नेताओं से मिलना शुरू कर दिया है। इस बीच ममता बनर्जी के सबसे भरोसेमंद और टीएमसी के वरिष्ठ नेता कल्याण बनर्जी ने भी अपने तलख तेवर दिखा दिए हैं। कल्याण बनर्जी ने ममता बनर्जी को साफ शब्दों में कहा, या तो आप अपने भतीजे अभिषेक बनर्जी को पार्टी में रखें या फिर मुझे। टीएमसी के वरिष्ठ नेता कल्याण बनर्जी ने कहा कि अभिषेक बनर्जी ने उनके साथ बदतमीजी की है, जिसको लेकर उन्होंने एक घटना का जिक्र किया, जिसमें अभिषेक बनर्जी ने कोलकाता हाई कोर्ट में एक केस में उनसे काफी जूनियर वकील की पैरवी के लिए चुना। हालांकि इससे पहले यह केस कल्याण बनर्जी ही लड़ रहे थे, जिससे वह काफी आहत हुए।
Petition was filed. That was listed on Friday. Vacation bench. 6 hours I sat for that matter. Matter was not called on. Then at the end I mentioned the matter before the Honorable Judge. The Honorable Judge said that the matter will come up on Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday I was in Delhi for doing the matter. Tuesday I came here. And Tuesday, the search was conducted. Then yesterday morning I mentioned the matter before the court, Justice Kaushik Chandra, and said that matter is extremely urgent. And why urgency I explained, that search and etc. The Honorable Court said that the matter would be taken up today. Yesterday at 12:30, one lawyer came and said that Abhishek Banerjee has sent to him. And I just tell me. Then said that regarding the search, another writ petition has been filed. I said that this is already I have mentioned the matter in the criminal division. Why did you file the petition without consulting me? You can file, but without consulting me. It's better that one man, one gentleman should handle the matter. And if you think that I can't do the matter, you take it the matter. And don't treat me as my dustbin. And inform me within 1 hour, 2 hours. Whole day nothing has been informed. I have been informed in the morning today by my son that around 12:30, instruction has come that Mr. Oyan Bhattacharya will appear, I will not appear. Very good. I am not appeared. And henceforth I will not be appearing in any matter on behalf of Abhishek Banerjee. Because this arrogant attitude, I don't like it. One must respect to the seniors. I am 45 years in the profession. All these persons have worked with me as junior. How can he humiliate me? I am also senior in politics. He can't do it in this way. He should understand because of him that we have lost it. He should understand this. He should understand the party is facing this problem because of him. Only because of him. But he will be going disrespecting everyone, disrespecting me. This is not tolerable. I can't tolerate. I will request the Didi, if you depend upon the Abhishek Banerjee, then you remain with the Abhishek Banerjee, leave me. And if you leave Abhishek Banerjee, I am there. Who has destroyed our party itself. This is the reason.